Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I think it's going to be the continuation of my previous video. So actually I received a big bag from SHEIN, so I really want to show you what I got from SHEIN. So somehow I'm managing to do the video because I don't have external light, like, you know what I mean. So I'm just using small ringlet I have. I just use that to do makeup, but today I'm gonna do a whole video using it. So my light bulb is too tiny, so anyways, I'm gonna just try. So I'm doing this video after really long, so I hope you can see. I don't know, no, I had a good angle. So you guys, as you guys know, I'm a bit shopaholic. Oh, wait a minute, I think I should use the mic. Okay, give me a moment, let me show you my kimono style a rope I got from Primark for 18 pounds only. I think I showed you in my previous video, in my previous clip. So here is the SHEIN packaging. Let me start. Let me open it. I did order one more packet from Temu, so it's gonna take at least 10 more days because Temu shipping is really slow, to be honest, like so slow. So last time I received my products in 2 weeks. It took like 14 to 15 days. So yeah, I've got a big box and the rest is like nothing. So it's like footwear, obviously. So let me just open and check. Last time I ordered footwear from SHEIN, it was like way too big for my foot and I could not wear it. So this time I hope it's my size. I hope it's my size. Oh, it's so cute. I'm loving it. I love wearing heels, you guys, because I love to look tall. Tall is more confident. And I love to look. What the hell is this? How do you wear it? Look at this. I love it. I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna show you how it looks like on my foot. So lovely. You guys, I actually wore this footwear and oh my god, these heels are like really crazy high. Like I don't think so I can wear and walk on the broken streets, but they're really nice, but only for like malls and all, because look at the height. Can you see? I'm loving it. Actually, like super stylish. I would love to wear it to like nightclub. You see, I'm gonna be really, really tall, but it is like a danger. I have to practice a lot. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing. Okay. Alright. Do I look cute? Okay, the next thing is my hair. Oh, it's not mine. Is it mine? Yeah, it's mine. I think so. Kind of confused. I'm not really sure if it's mine. I'm not gonna. It's because my girlfriend also ordered, so I'm not gonna open that. But this is how it looks like. I don't know if it's mine or hers, but I don't remember, you guys. Gosh, I don't really remember buying this. But this is how it looks like. This is the headband. And don't ask me prices. I don't really remember. I'll just put it on the screen. This is definitely mine because I remember I ordered this. Like super dainty. Can you see? And it exactly looks like the picture. It has bows and all. Really, really cute. I'm gonna wear this to work. Oh, nothing is seen actually. Can you see my bows? Just holding a sec. Yeah, you can. I don't know when and where I'm gonna wear it, but I love it. So I'm gonna keep this on. The next thing is, okay. So these are razors. Oh my god, there's so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I think it's not more than 1.5 pounds. So it's the deal, like really good deal. Oh my god, and the blades are really good quality. There are so many blades. Oh my god, I need to order this next time. This is my girlfriend ordered, so yeah, those things are hers. The next thing is this bag, and I have got a top in it. I ordered a lot of clothes, but I don't see any clothes in there. I don't know. When did I order this? Oh my god, this is not my size. I don't think so. Oh my ordered wrong clothes. All the time I order wrong clothes. Well, look at that. I would wear it home like night dress. It is too big. I didn't like it at all. Oh, I don't want that. This top is not that bad. It's like a normal regular top. I mean, I would love to wear this with like a simple skirt, simple satin skirt would be okay-ish, or maybe I don't know, because this is like very formal kind of top. I would wear this to like one of my study classes. So yeah, if I'm doing a course or something. So yeah, this is like a really really simple top. I mean, yeah, I really need to get a bit fatter. Like, I need to get at least two kgs of weight I need to gain because I'm too lean. So that's why all my clothes are like loose. Okay, you've got another top. Let's see how it's gonna be. The next one is, oh, this is like a bralette top. I hope it's my size. Okay, I'll just try and show you. Not so, but this is how it looks like. It's really cute top. What do you think? But you know, I like clothes which makes my boobs look a bit more bigger. I'm in love with this top. Not that bad. I like it. I might as well wear this with like a choker, like this. Like, wow, I like it. Not that bad. The next is another bag in here. The bags are really cute. Oh, what the hell is this? Why do I keep buying a lot of black shit? Seriously, I don't like black and I keep buying black. Oh, it's damn cute and it's definitely my size. I think so, yeah. I need to get a bit more fatter. Oh, it's really cute, you guys. I love it. I'm gonna wear it with my black skirt. This is something I'm gonna wear to a nightclub. Wow, it's so cute. You can wear it anywhere anyway. So I like it. I love this purchase, okay? The next, to be honest, like you guys, these clothes look really nice on like pictures, like online. I mean, I know I look nice in the video because it's video, but in real life it's not at all comfortable. It's like really loose in here. I don't know how am I supposed to fix it, but like if I'm gonna take pictures, I'm gonna look really nice. I mean, just like look at it. Wearing once is fine, but it's not really that comfortable. Oh, I've got tights. Why the fuck I keep buying black things? This thing is a pair of socks. I mean tights. It's like a bow tights. It has like bows in there. Let me see. Not that nice, but okay. So look at that. This is for my legs. Cute, right? Okay. So guys, this looked like it won't fit my body, but it literally fit. I mean, I pulled this. It's like a pant style stockings, like pantyhose. I don't know how you say it, but so yeah, this is how it looks like. Really nice. Like, can you really believe it? It looks so gorgeous. Like, the next thing is this. Oh, I've got something white. It looks like socks again. Let's just open up and see. The picture over here, if you can see. I'm not sure how I'm gonna style it, but this is how it looks like. What do you think? Do you love it? Do you like it? I love it. Oh, I'm just loving it so much. Okay. Next thing is something black again. Oh gosh, am I not tired of buying black stuff? I've got plethora of black socks and I keep buying black. Oh, I bought this for my work. Oh really? I love it. I don't remember. Oh my god, I don't remember what I buy. So not for work. Even if I'm going out and wearing like Mary Jane style footwear, I'm gonna wear these socks. These are like really cute socks. If you can see, black. Not that bad. So what do you think of this? I'll put the prices on the screen, so yeah. Oh my god, how many pairs did I buy? And why the hell did I buy this one? I already have it. Yeah, it's just the socks is just like this. That's it. And it's good quality, to be really honest, like really good quality. I can feel it. Not that bad. It's not a waste of money. Oh, guys, I do have so many pairs of socks now. And I already have like plain socks, and I don't know why am I buying a lot of socks. Fishnet socks. This is how the socks looks like, you guys. Okay, so that's it. So I love that. I'm gonna try every single thing, you guys, don't worry about it. SHEIN catalog something, okay. 15% off, free returns, something. They gave me this paper because I keep buying a lot of stuff from them. And half of my stuff is like, I don't use it, I don't like it. I don't know why I keep buying it. A return process for UK orders. I'm never gonna use it, so look at that. It's a big process. I'm so lazy. Oh, I've got a necklace. This is what I love. Like jewelry is like my thing. I just love buying jewelry a lot. So let's go ahead. Okay. Oh, this looks cute. My girlfriend said I've got the same piece, but it's not the exact same piece. I had one of these necklaces, but different. Oh, I love it. What do you think? Do you like? So cute. I'm just loving it. I'm gonna wear this to another nightclub. I love it. What do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Okay, this is that. The next thing is this bow, I guess. Yeah. Oh, I love it. It's a cute bow. Look at that. Isn't this cute? Oh, I'm loving it. It's nice. Not that bad, but not very exciting. I love it. Really cute. I'll put the prices on the screen. So I like it. And it has this in the back. This clip. So yeah. The next thing is this jewelry. Oh, I love this again. Oh, they're earrings. Why did I buy this? Not so pretty earrings. Okay. I am not a big fan of. I love it. I'm loving it. Okay, I'm gonna keep them on. So the next thing is, oh, got one more necklace. Oh, all my stuff looks alike. Okay. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, I like it. Guys, believe me, I had so many of this type of jewelry back in my Delhi, but I left all of them there because I had no enough space in my suitcase. Oh, I really miss my jewelry back in my country. I buy loads and loads of this type of things. Look, I just like this. When you wear this type of jewelry, your look is instantly like, brightens up. You look more stylish, more girly. Oh, I'm loving it. I would love to wear these things. Oh, so lovely. Okay, let's move on to the next thing. Oh, the last thing. Oh, I want more of this stuff. I love her. This is the last thing. Let's see. Like, to be honest, like when I buy things, at least like 30% of my stuff would be something which I would not like at all. The last time when I ordered a lot of things from SHEIN, 50 on like not 50, 70% of the things I hated it. Like I would never wear in my life. But this time I'm a bit satisfied because most of the things I liked, I didn't like the black top. Otherwise everything is like really nice. It's kind of a necklace again, but I don't know how it's supposed to be. Oh, cute. I love it. Oh, I'm just excited to have all of these things. Oh, I love it. So beautiful. If you think I'm a bit upset because I feel like my chest is like a bit more. It's like it has more of a curve here. It's just like raising forward. Like I had an accident when I was a baby. So beautiful, right? Please let me know in the comments down below how you like all of these products, and you will see a fashion show. Okay, don't worry. So yeah, that's about it. I really hope you enjoyed this quick video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and like, share, and just comment down below. I'd love to read your comments, you guys. So that's it. Bye. I'm gonna clear my mess. I created like a lot of mess in here now. So yeah, bye.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.